Hey, today we are making our own ENET cable for BMW cars. All you need is an Ethernet cable, half of it to be honest, OBD2 connector and resistor between 510 and 560 ohms. So I found out that BMW is using the Ethernet communication standard, and this network interface is in the OBD2 connector, so you can connect through the OBD connector to your computer and communicate with the car without any additional interfaces in between. So I took the cable, cut it in half, then used 4 lines, the green, white, orange, white, and soldered them to the connector. Pinout of this connection is in the description below this video. Also, you need to connect the pin number 8 and pin number 16 with the resistor. That way, when you connect this cable to your car detects that those two are linked with the resistor, and the car knows that you are trying to use this communication protocol. Also, the pin number 4 and number 5 over here should be bridged together, but this OBD2 connector already has this bridge together, so it should work. I don't have to solder those 2 pins. And right now I'm going to close it and double check with my multimeter if it's all connected correctly, and then I'm going to check it in car if it connects with my system. Interface is connected, my computer is set, and now let's try if it works. Here goes nothing. Okay, without any problem I'm connected to the car, so the cable works. And as you can see, it's not that hard to make your own interface if it goes for the BMW ENET cable. Okay, thank you for watching. Check the description for more details. Give me thumbs up if this video helped you, and see you soon.